Hi everyone, I'm Monica and welcome in my new episode. Today I show you a maternity behind the scenes video in my small home studio. As always, I use the Pixapro double-sided vinyl backdrop, my Canon 5D Mark IV with the 24-70mm 2.8 version zoom lens. On my camera I have a Pixapro Pro ST3 flash transmitter to control my City300 Pro. On the wall photoshoot I use the same camera settings, aperture f5, shutter speed 320 of a second, ISO 300, so you can see the color of the background and positioning the light how will affect the final photo. For the first setup I used a pink dress with white background, so to make the background pure white I used two lights. On my left is an LED light with a white umbrella tilted to the background, and the second Pixapro City300 Pro in 120 cm softbox which light the background and the model. Note that if you work with white background and you want to make it pure white, position the light or lights to the background, that big white surface will reflect back to your model. Because I work with everyday women, not models, I show them some inspiration photos before the shoot. They will understand better the pose, what you are looking for, and yes, first communicate with them what poses are they comfortable with. For example, can be difficult to sit on the floor and waking up, especially with a big pregnant belly. I usually ask them if they have any specific pose they would like to try, and if your client doesn't have any idea about poses or style she likes, use your creativity and involve props like necklace, hat, flowers or baby clothes. The second dress is a dark blue color, which made a nice contrast with the black background, and it was chosen because they are expecting a little boy. I wanted to make the background completely black, so I turned off the room light and the LED light, so my only light source it was the City300 Pro. Shooting with black background can be tricky if you don't position the light in the right direction, can be grey instead of pure black. But to achieve a deep black background, turn the light away, and also can be useful a higher aperture. For the third setup I hired the softbox and turned back on the LED light to make her even more pop out, but I tilted the light away from the background. The last dress was a stunning dark red dress with a silk material on the back, which can make a beautiful flowy effect when it's shaped. If you don't have an assistant, you can ask for help from your model's husband to shape the dress while she's posing. May you have to take several photos to get the right shot, but really worth the effort. I use my own maternity dresses. I don't have a huge wardrobe, but if I don't have in stock their favorite color or favorite model, I order, as slowly I can build up a bigger choice. Try to involve any little clothes or toy of the baby, which help you to make more variety and even more personal to them. And finally, don't forget to take photos in their own dresses if they bring any. Never say no. Maybe that dress or prop they want to be photographed with means a lot to them and will be their favorite. That is it for today. Hope you enjoyed this video and you found useful these tips. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next time. Bye!